What's the meaning of bridesmaid? Bridesmaid. Bridesmaid.
Bridesmaid. Bridesmaid. A bridesmaid is a member of the bride's wedding party who is typically a close friend or family member. Bridesmaids traditionally assist the bride with various tasks leading up to the wedding day, such as helping with dress fittings and organizing bridal showers. On the day of the wedding, bridesmaids perform various duties such as walking down the aisle before the bride, holding her bouquet during the ceremony, and helping with the reception. Bridesmaids are an important part of a wedding celebration and often wear matching dresses or outfits to complement the bride's gown.